Last time on Madcat Sailing we saw the boat being taken over by an alien species. Watch us this week as we find ourselves a nice little anchorage. When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunshine hurts my eyes, something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't do karaoke. Hey Davey, what do you reckon? It's not a karaoke boat, is it? Interesting fact, why is a boom called a boom? Because that's the sound it makes when it hits you on the head. That's a good way to remember duck when it swings. But you'll know about it. I've had a change of plan. I was going to head down south towards the Thames, but I've had the tide against me, the wind's not strong enough, so I think I'll have to change my plans. I've decided to go to Walton Backwaters. It's a little creek just south of Felixstowe, and I believe you've got to time it right. It's a bit hairy. There's a sandbank or something as you enter it. It's got a bit of a shelf, and if you catch it at the wrong time of day, you end up a bit stuck, as they say, and then you have to wait for high tide to release you. So fingers crossed that doesn't happen to me. Here we go, Davey, flying in. Hope you like flying. Closer, closer. A little bit more. Bingo! Walton Backwaters. Yeah, we'll see where it's like. Nice chilled out few days sailing, I think. I will outrun you. Na 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 na. Heading into Walton Backwaters now. It's a new territory for me, so we'll see what happens. Look at his little face, Davey. Happy as a pig in muck. I found my anchor spot. This is where you come to escape. It's so quiet here. Don't know if you can catch how quiet it is properly on the camera with the wind as well. But yeah, you've got little bays like this as well. If you want to ride away from the world, just pull into a place like this. This is just a little creek. There's loads of little secret bays around the UK that you don't know about. Next time on Madcat Sailing, check out the charter boat. It's excellent. Check out the bridal suite. It's fantastic.
We missed the final call. The writing's on the wall. We fell and now we walk in the ruins of our love.